How to download and install LibreOffice on Windows 11, step by step. LibreOffice is a free and powerful office suite that works as an alternative to Microsoft Office. It includes tools similar to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, making it a great option for creating documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. First, open any web browser on your Windows 11 PC and search for LibreOffice Download. Open the official LibreOffice website from the search results. On the website, click on the Download LibreOffice button. Once the LibreOffice installer file is downloaded, open the .msi file to start the installation process.
In the Setup window, click Run.
Windows may ask for permission during the installation. Click Yes and wait until the installation process is completed. Now, you can open LibreOffice from the desktop shortcut or search for it from the Windows Start menu. LibreOffice includes several tools like Writer for documents, Calc for spreadsheets, and Impress for presentations, which work similarly to Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. That's how you can download and install LibreOffice on Windows 11 for free. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and step-by-step tutorials.